First of all, we need to have the engine securely mounted with a disc on the shaft. Now, first, find top dead center. This is quite easy with a new engine because it's very stiff at the top, but just rock the piston back and forward and make a mark where the top dead center is. Next, we're going to measure the opening of the exhaust port. So you need a thin strip of paper, the thinner the better, and you need to insert this into the port with the piston at the bottom of the stroke, and then turn it until you just feel a bit of pressure on the bit of paper, which means the port is just closing. Again, make a mark on the disc, rotate through bottom dead center and make a mark where it closes again, and that's your exhaust opening angle. Mark these clearly because you're going to have a lot of marks on the disc later and you want to know which ones they are. Now, to get the transfer port timing is a little more tricky because you've got to push the paper across the top of the piston to get into the port on the other side. Often it's easy to look down the glow plug hole and find out what you're doing. Now we're going to measure the opening of the crankshaft. So we probably want to remove the venturi to do this so that we can see the shaft clearly. And again, mark where the shaft opens and closes. This is before top dead center. This is after top dead center. And that's it. Now remove the disc from the engine, get a protractor, and measure the angles.